Hey YouTube, it's your girl Keisha Bell and I'm back with another video. And once again, your girl got crawfish. So today I have 5 pounds of crawfish. I have some corn, some eggs, some potatoes, and my lemon. And I have the mayonnaise based dip. And I have a little butter sauce over here. I like the butter sauce on my eggs, you guys. So let's get it in. How was everybody's Easter and Good Friday? Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. They rolling again. I got these from a place called Bayou Express, you guys. Mm. Yes. These are really good. These are really good. So, I'm really hungry. This is my first time eating today. And it's about almost 5 o'clock here. They're good and spicy too. Slicing my eggs, y'all. Cause I like that butter sauce to get in the egg when I eat it. So you can really, taste it. That's good. And I think the last time I did the crawfish mukbang, I had discovered that the lemon, yep, I did, that the lemon on the crawfish was banging. I said I didn't remember. But yep, I did. They are banging. So what y'all did for Easter? Did y'all have any crawfish boils, barbecues? What y'all did? For Good Friday, my family, we had a crawfish boil, of course. We had the works. We had about 50 pounds of crawfish. We had a good time. It was kind of chilly though out here for Good Friday. It was a little chilly, so the kids couldn't really, get wet or anything like they usually do. Well, but they still had a good time. We listened to music and just party and chill. Then for Easter, I had to work, so I had to work a 12-hour shift, so I didn't really do much for Easter. I mean, after I got off, by the time I got off, everything was over with. But I think that my family barbecued for Easter, since they had did crawfish for Good Friday, which worked out good for me because, like I said in a previous video, I'm pescatarian, so I don't eat meat. So that worked out good for me. I'm so hungry. This is so good. It's nice and spicy. I bit the shell, girl. They did them different today. My corn doesn't look like it was seasoned. I don't like that. I like my corn and potato not to be seasoned. Let's see. So, before y'all leave, go ahead and hit like, comment, and subscribe. That was good. Give me some paper towels. Okay. You guys, this is so good. So did y'all go to church for Easter Sunday? I remember growing up as a child, Easter Sunday, we was always at church. Always. With your very best Sunday best song. That's them. Just another egg. These eggs are good. I'll get up early in the morning because on Easter Sunday, church always start earlier. So you have to get up even earlier because you have to get dressed. And Mama wasn't pulling out no stops. She hot combed your hair the night before, had your rollers in. Yes, sir. That was Easter Sunday every year for me growing up as a child. To tell you the truth, that was like my Sunday every week as a child. I grew up in the church. I broke this one. Did y'all have any festivals or anything going on? I think out here we had French Quarter Festival, I want to say. And then somewhere else in Louisiana they had the Strawberry Festival. I didn't go to either, but I heard about it. Last week was our spring break out here, so that's why I didn't post you guys last week. I'm sorry, but I was enjoying my time off and my family. So good. These are so good. Oh, that makes me mad when I do that, yeah. Break it. When I peel them and I break it, makes me mad. I don't like my crawfish broke up. That one went in my eye. I'm having technical difficulties this video, guys. I'm gonna try to do some crabs next week or something, or shrimps. I don't know which one's in season. So I'm gonna see crabs or shrimp next week. Gotta do some blue crab or snow crab or something. We're gonna see, you guys. Gotta be a vitamin water here. Oh yeah. Comment down in the comment section below if y'all like vitamin water. I used to drink those things every day. Oh my God. I used to drink them every day. Y'all, I have really been craving Wingstop. And I'm trying to stay away from the meat. So far, so good. It's been since January since I've had any. And I'm trying so hard, but oh my God, I'm craving Wingstop. The lemon pepper with the blue cheese. Oh girl, I'm craving it so bad right now. That was good. That one was good. Getting full already. Probably because I waited so late to eat. I need to stop doing that. When I wait like that, I get full fast. Let me stop sucking the heads, because when I suck the head, that make me fuller too. These are so good. It's so hard not to suck the head of these because they're so juicy. These, oh yeah, I did say I have bought these. The ones we have for Good Friday, we bought them ourselves. And they were really good. I'd rather buy them ourselves than to buy them already bought, because you can control the level of spice, the seasoners. you put in it. Because some people, they put like way too much salt in crawfish for me. Not that salt give you a headache. This one's beat up. I'm not eating that one. Maybe beat up like that. Sorry y'all. That's my paper towels. When they be beat up like that, I don't eat them. Excuse me. Oh yeah, we eat crawfish fast out here. We learn how to eat them without having to peel them all the way down. You twist the head and body in separate directions. Suck the head if you want, but you peel it once around, and then you pinch the bottom of it right here. Down here, you pinch that bottom and you put it out. Oh, I broke my I broke this one. I bet you're like, dang, she didn't even put a dent in those crawfish. Because it still look full. Whew. You peel them that one time around, and you could just suck them out. Even the kids know how to peel crawfish out here. We don't peel no crawfish for the babies. They gotta peel their own. Teach them while they're young. My little niece is 4, and she know how to peel crawfish. Stuck myself. I'm getting so full, you guys. But they're good. They're so good. Look at this one. It's big. See the claw on it? Like, you can suck these claws. See the big ones like this? I'll get the meat out the claw. You gotta be careful though, because these things are sharp. See? See that? The claw meat taste is different from the tail. It has like a sweeter taste to it. And it's good. Okay. That was good. Y'all, this one's hard. Excuse my hair, y'all. I took my braids out and I just washed it and dried it and put it in this little puff pony. I'm looking a little rough today. So I'm gonna probably leave my hair out for about a month. Cause That one was big too. I didn't even look at the claws on that one. I probably wait another month to get my hair did. Just because I had kept those braids in for so long. I had those braids in for 3 months. 3. And I usually don't keep them in no more than 2. But I had those in for 3. Oh, see. Another beat up one. Look at that. And I don't eat those. They done been through enough already. They don't need me eating them. Once again, you guys, before you leave, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video for your girl. Y'all could give me some likes. Y'all could leave me some comments. Don't be scared. Leave me some comments, y'all. Ask me some questions. Whew. Another sip of vitamin water. That was good. My vitamin water is not cold. I like it cold, but it's not cold. Comment down in the section, in the comment below, if y'all like y'all water cold or room temperature. I personally cannot drink water if it is not cold. Ooh, I hate room temperature drinks. Like, I barely drink soda, but if I do, I'd rather it to be cold. I have to have my water cold. I cannot drink room temperature water. It does something different to me when it's cold. It feels like it quenches my thirst when it's cold. Speaks to your soul when it's cold. See like that? I might do the, hold on, yeah, I will. I'm about to say I might do the claws on that one. Look at that. That's good. Excuse me. Sorry, I'm belching, y'all. I'm getting full. I'm about to sign out, you guys, because I am full. Eat my last piece of egg. All right, y'all. Once again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. I'll see you guys next week with another video. I'm not sure what it's going to be yet, but it'll be something. Bye, you guys.